Okay, I'm gonna try to make this quick because if I don't, I won't be able to do it because of that cute little thing back there. What's the matter, baby? You want me to pick you up? You want another treat? I want a snack? I'll get you another snack. Yeah. Yeah. So, my kid thinks I'm giving him dog treats because this is what he really wants. In reality, I'm giving him crackers from the cheese stick crackers. So this is how I'm starting off this video. Here you go. Yeah. Say thank you. Okay, go sit down. Go sit down. Okay, go sit down. Anyway, this video is supposed to be how to make a oil master batching bucket. This is the bucket I just made. I'm about to make a second one. The reason I'm making it is because obviously my house burned down and I lost all my soap making equipment. So I have to make it all over again. Yay. Including my soap boxes. Yay. I stripped a screw last night. I can't get it out. Can't find my pliers. Kind of screwed until I get that stupid thing that takes out strip screws. Anyway, I digress. So we're going to make a 22 quart master batch bucket with a spigot. See the spigot right there? There's the spigot, and this is how it works. This is just the spigot that my husband picked up. You can get one of those valve spigots or a regular turny knobby spigot, but this is the one that my husband picked up. And there you go. If that was oil, that'd be coming out the bucket, but it's not. It's water. Super easy to make. Get back. I'm just gonna zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, all right, I'm back in a very awkward position. So, things that you will need to make your own master batching bucket with a spigot attached is number one, you need a bucket. I got this 22 quart bucket from restaurants.com. It is the web restaurant online wholesale restaurant supply store. I think I paid like $4 for this thing, maybe $6. I'm not sure. It wasn't more than it was less than $10. I know that. Lids are sold separately. I do have my lids because I had to buy them separately. Next, you will need this. That's one of the last things you need. Next, you will need a bulkhead. This is I call it bulkhead. You can call it a tank fitting gasket. Blah blah blah. But anyway, this is a 1/2 inch one. You need this. Next, you need your spigot. This is the one I have. It's a, I don't know what you call this one. I know it's not a, what is that one? A valve one. Well, I guess technically it could be a valve one. But, you know, this is the one I have. Yeah, it's also 1/2 inch. You also need some plumber's tape. Just some regular old, plain old, good stuff plumber's tape. You're gonna need a marker. Ignore the stuff happening in the background. That is my kid watching Zootopia. Here it is. Preferably a smaller Sharpie than this, but a marker will work. Any marker, really. Not any marker. You can't like use a... Hey, focus in on your marker. There we go. There we go. You need a marker. And you're gonna need a drill. Preferably with a 1/2 inch drill bit or a hole drill bit. which I have, that came in my kit from which came in my drill bit set from Walmart. You need a drill too, so you can't use the bit without the drill. But yeah, so this is my whole drill bit. It's pretty cool. Alright, so you're gonna wanna, step one, locate where you're going to put your hole, where you want your spigot. I want mine right here underneath that 5 liter thing. So mine's gonna go like right here. So what it's gonna do is try to do this easily, but it's not gonna happen. Actually, I'm just gonna cheat. I'm just gonna take the thing off of the thing, because when you put this on, you're not gonna be able to see it, so it really doesn't matter. So locate where you want to put it. Use the inside part of the bulkhead, and locate kind of where you want to put your hole. So I'm going to put my hole. I don't want to put my hole there. Actually, do I? Actually, I want to move it up a little bit more. Well, technically, the lower you have, the better. More oil you get out. But I do want mine up a little bit higher. Okay, so there's where my hole's going to go. So I'm going to drill in the middle of that. Right there. So, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to take your drill. You're going to flip your bucket over. I'm going to move you guys into a better position where you can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, so here's your hole. Now this hole that I have marked out is actually, smaller than the actual hole is going to be, but it gives me a general idea of where I want to drill. Right there in that center. So I'm going to take my bit. This is a really weird angle because I'm looking at you guys upside down. And you're going to drill on your mark. You hit and go. There you go. Okay, there's your hole. Okay. So now that you have your hole drilled and the general idea of where you want your hole in your bucket, move your bucket aside for a second. I'm going to put mine right there. Then you're going to prep your bulkhead. You're going to take some painter's tape. Why do I say painter's tape? You're going to take some plumber's tape. Trust me, it's plumbers, it's not painters. Okay. You don't want it fairly tight, decently tight anyway. Get a nice little layer of it up on there. The more plumber's tape you have on there, I was going to say painter's again, the more tape you have on there, the better, the less likely or to leaky. Me no want leakies. Alright, so you got your tape on your bulkhead. Pay no attention to the tiny cycle in the background. You want another piece? Okay. Alright. Take your fastening paste. Gonna put these on the inside. So, you see my hand? Hi, hand. That in there. I'm going to screw. I did that wrong. I did that so wrong. Wait, come on out. Alright, now we screw. I have that on backwards. How do I do these things? Okay. Boo, boo, boo. Now we screw. Yep, there we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And you're screwing as tight as you can until you can't screw anymore. Alright. Make sure your little foamy, plasticky, you know, it's usually black, piece is on the outside, because that helps with that keeps it from leaking. Okay. Put that on there as tight as possible. Okay, next, you need to put your, let me see if I can get this off here without my freaking, there we go. Okay, next you take your spigot, screw it on, as tight as you can get it, preferably facing down. Okay, there you go. That is how you make, very simple. I told you guys, it's crazy simple. That is how, really? My kid just threw my phone because he wanted my attention. That's how you make a, don't do it again. That's how you make a master batch bucket with spigot attachment. So you can literally just master batch your oils and put them in the bucket and pour out as much as you need. And I made 2 of them because my batches aren't small. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye. That was weird.